Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use window snapping on a Mac. There is a new feature on your Mac that allows you to snap your windows to the sides of the screen, so it's pretty easy to manage your windows now. And the easiest way is to just drag the window, like hold it at the top of the window, and then drag it to the side of the screen and release, and it's gonna snap to the side. I'm gonna do the same with my other window, and it snaps like that as well. You can also take a window and snap it to the top, so it's gonna fill the whole screen. Instead of that, you can also double click on the top of the window and it's gonna do the same. The next thing you can do is click here, hover over the green button, and then it's gonna give you an option to move and resize, to put it on the left, right side, top or bottom, because you can also put it on top, and that one let's put it on bottom, and it's gonna work like that. Or you can also find fill and arrange and set one of those like that. It's gonna automatically rearrange your windows. So if I open another window, let's say Spotify, and then I choose it to fill and arrange like that, it's gonna actually arrange them this way. And if I open a few more windows, maybe let's open system settings, and let's open Finder, then I can hover over here and select this option, and it's gonna arrange them like that. So now there are 4 windows on my screen. You can also hover over that and find full screen, and then you can set it to entire full screen, left of the screen or right of the screen. If you set it on entire screen, it's gonna just enter a full screen mode, but you can also set it to left of the screen, and then you can choose another app to put as the second one, and now they are on full screen. You can just swipe with 3 fingers on your trackpad, or with 2 fingers on your magic mouse to the left or right to switch between these two. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.